Do you want to record your screen on your iPhone or iPad? Let's do it. Today I'm going to reveal how I record almost all of my videos. I use the screen recorder built into iOS since iOS 11. Stick around to the end of the video for 2 additional screen recording tips. Swipe up on your phone to access the control center and tap on the screen recorder. Everything on your screen is being recorded. My phone is displayed on the left and my iPad is displayed on the right. Plan ahead. Know what you're going to record before you start recording. Once you see the red bar on the iPhone and the red dot on the iPad, you can begin doing the steps that you want to record. Everything visible on the screen from this point on will be recorded until you stop the screen recorder. I'll go over how to do that later in the video. When you record your screen to show someone how to do something, it's important to record it slower than you would actually do it, because the person who's going to watch it has to be able to follow it whether you do a voiceover or not. And you have to have enough time to describe the steps you're doing. Once you're done recording, tap the bar at the top of the screen and you'll get the following message whether you're on the iPhone or the iPad. To continue recording, tap Cancel. To stop the recording, tap Stop. The completed recording can be found inside your camera roll.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Once you hit stop recording, the screen recorder will deactivate. That's my first additional screen recording tip. Make sure that you only stop the recording once you've done everything that you want to record. The screen recorder may stop automatically. If this happens, begin recording again and don't stop until you have what you need. The second additional screen recording tip is to make sure that you turn off notifications while you're screen recording. Everything from the time that you activate the screen recorder is visible on screen. So if your notifications are turned on and you get one, it will appear on the screen and you'll have to either edit it out of your video or re-record the video depending on what you want to do. If you have any problems with this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.